Hey, what's up guys? Harrington Hare here. Happy Fursuit Friday. There is many ways to create a unique and awesome Fursona as there are stars in the sky. With all the creative characters already out there, creating something unique and original can sometimes seem like a bit of a daunting task. So what I've done is just a bit of looking around, and I've come up with 3 unique or interesting ways of coming up with a cool Fursona. So sit back, relax, and make sure you subscribe to the channel, and let's get those creative juices flowing. I've seen some really cool Pokemon-based Fursonas out there with some really neat designs, but I don't think I've ever seen one based off of Neopets. Now, if you don't know, Neopets was a website from the early 2000s where you can create and raise digital pets. It's really cool, and I'm still a big fan even today. They come in a variety of different species and designs, so it's a goldmine of untapped potential that I'd love to see drawn on for some cool characters. Another neat way to create a character is to base it on a toy. I've seen some really oddly colored plushies out there that are generic and wouldn't look out of place if drawn as a Fursona. Heck, you could even create one based off one of the many robotic pets from the 2000s like Furbies or Meowchi here. As a matter of fact, a Meowchi Fursona would give off some major Protogen vibes. Something cool to kind of think about. Now, mythologies around the world are filled to the brim with amazing, beautiful, and odd creatures. There's plenty of dragon OCs out there already, but what about a Chupacabra, or a Carbuncle, or a Kobold, or a Jabberwocky? Crack open your nearest monster manual and go crazy. So there's 3 cool ways to make an interesting and unique Fursona. I only wanted to briefly touch on these 3 ways that I thought were pretty neat, but if you have any unique and interesting ideas, I'd love to hear about it down in the comments below. But that's going to do it for this week's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I also want to give a big shout out to my awesome patrons Sopu Hasi and Sasha Fennec. You guys rock. And if you want to help me support my channel, then hit that like button and make sure you're subscribed and that you've rung that bell icon so that you're notified when I post future content. But thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!